Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Samsung phone is unlocked and you're signed in. This avoids permission prompts. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Connections or Network and Internet to save time. Tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering so you can access hotspot controls. You do this because the history and device list are managed under hotspot settings. Clearing cache won't remove paired device logs. Now that you're in the right menu, move on to view active hotspot entries and connected device history. Once in Mobile Hotspot, tap Configure or Manage Devices to reveal the list of connected or allowed devices. This is where history accumulates. You should see device names and MAC addresses. Tap the device you want to remove. Choose Remove, Forget, or Block to delete that entry. Blocking prevents rejoining without approval. Make sure to repeat for each device you want gone. If you want a clean slate, toggle Hotspot off, then back on after removing all listed devices to refresh the state. To finish, restart your mobile hotspot and check the device list. Entries you removed should no longer appear. If some persist, clear the Settings app cache or reboot the phone so the interface refreshes. This often resolves display glitches. If that still fails, reset network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi and hotspot configurations, so make sure you know passwords. One troubleshooting tip: if devices keep reappearing, they may auto-reconnect. Block them or change the hotspot password to prevent automatic joins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.